In React Native, Flexbox is the default methods of organizing components. I'm going to start by creating my parent component that is going to be the view component. I'm going to style this parent component so that it takes the entire width of the screen or of my device, 100%, and height also 100%. Next, I'm going to create 3 text components. These 3 text components are going to be the child of the view component. I'm going to give some name to each component. Component 1, 2, and 3. Finally, I'm going to style each and every text component as well. I'm giving it some background color so that it is easier to identify which component is which. And finally, flex, I'm going to set it as 1. I'm giving different colors to different components so that it is easier to identify. This is how the final output looks like. Here, if we go back and change the flex of the first component to 2, the output is going to change like this. Let me make it 3. The flex property defines the amount of space each child component is going to take. So suppose the first one I've given it as 3. That means total paths equals 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is going to be 5. So the first one is going to take 3 out of 5 paths, the second one is going to take 1 out of 5 paths, and the last one is going to take 1 out of 5 paths as well. Let us go ahead and change this. The first one I'm going to set it to 1, the second one I'm going to set it to 2, and the third one I'm going to set it to 4. Now this time the total paths is going to be 7, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4, and the first one is going to take 1 out of 7 paths, the second one is going to take 2 out of 7 paths, and the last one is going to take 4 out of 7 paths. Also, let me talk a little bit about width 100% and height 100%. This is actually 100% of the device width on which I'm checking my output. So if I set the width to 50%, the output is going to shrink to 50% of the device width. In the same manner, if I change the height to maybe 40%, the height of the entire output, that is all its children, it's going to shrink down to 40%. Hope this video was useful to you, and if you have liked the video, please click on the like button and subscribe for more React Native tutorials and concepts. Thank you.